Hi friends, welcome back to our Way to Tech YouTube channel. Today we are going to write the code for this number pattern and we are going to print this pattern. So चले हम start करेंगे. Now at first we will see the question, the pattern, and next we will analyze the pattern, how to print it. Now I am opening the pattern and going it. Here you are seeing the pattern is like this for input 5. It is an n into n matrix, that is 5 into 5 matrix with 5 rows and 5 columns, that is 5 square 25. It goes like 25 to 21 and next down and next to left and to top, and that like it goes on until the middle one. Like this the pattern will be printed. Here there are two types. One is for odd input and another one is for even input. At first we will see the odd input. If we give odd input like number 5, the output would be like this. Let us assume this is a box from 25 to 10 with 4 sides. There are required 2 boxes for this, from 25 to 10 one and 9 to 3 another one, from left to right and from top to down and next to left and to top. This is, let us assume, as a box, and here is another box. So number of boxes required are 5 by 2, that is input given by 2. Number of boxes are required for odd input. This is the main key for writing this code. We will understand about this when we are writing the code. Just understand what I am saying. And now we will see the even input. If we give even input like number 4, here I am given 4, then the pattern is like this with 2 boxes, from 16 to 5 one box and 4 to 1. So number of boxes required are input given by 2. 2 boxes are required for this one. Here you are seeing that. So I think you understand somewhat bit. So this number of boxes are required. Boxes are required. Now we will write the code for it and I will explain it in detail in the code. Now I'm opening a text file. I'm writing hash include stdio.h, means standard input output header file. It includes the printf scanf, and void means returns nothing, main function. And here I am declaring the variables which are used in the program code. N for input and array 2-dimensional array. The array name is A with 100 rows and 100 columns I am giving. And now I am going to ask the user for input. Enter any integer number. I am going to read that input using scanf %d. It will store the entered input into the variable n And next there will be use of some other variables like left, top, and num. I will explain what is use of them in the code. Just take them as input as declare. Now I am assigning left with 0 and top with n minus 1 value, because left means it assume like index, first index, and top means ending index. Just assume like that. And now I am writing number of boxes for loop for number of boxes. Here you are seeing two number of boxes required for input of I. Int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n by 2, number of boxes it goes on, and I plus plus, after one box it goes to another box like that. And I am writing left plus plus, top minus minus. I will explain about this later. Just write it, because left means left to right, it is increasing, and now you are seeing that increasing 25 and 987, that is left. And top means 21 to it comes to 726, which is decreased. That is why we have incremented left and decremented top. And now in this for loop I am going to write the code. First for loop is for the line from left to right, that is from 25 to 21 on 9 to 7. This is the code which will be iterated for boxes. I am writing in that int j equal left, left means 0, until j less than or equal to top, because index starts from 0 to ending, that is n minus 1 means top, j plus plus. And another one is number. We have to print that number, we have to assign that number into the array. Yeah, we have to print from 25 to 1, so I am putting num is equal to n into n, means for example if n equal to 5, number is equal to 25, and like that. And in that 5 is 25, that's why num is equal to 25. And now I am assigning the values for that left to right array of, here the row will be left, because it will always be 0 for the first row, and j it increments like that, 0 1 0 2 0 n minus 1. It will give number from num to 25 to 21. And next for loop is for top to down, that is from 20 to 70. So I am writing for that. I am declaring another variable k equal to left plus 1, because 21 is over, so we are coming to next one, that is 1. Left plus 1, 0 plus 1 means 1, that's why k less than or equal to top, and I am incrementing k. And next number decrement as it is, because 20 to 70 means number is decreasing. And I am assigning the number value into the array A with k, array of k and top. K means number is incrementing from 1 1 4 2 4 3 4, that like. The value at row is increasing, but the value at column is constant, so that is top. And I am writing next for loop for left to right, that is not right to left, that is 16 to 13. For that we are writing the code. Now I am declaring another variable, let us assume as L equal to top minus 1, because we have gone to 16, which is at the downside top minus 1 to L greater than or equal to left, because we have to move from right to left, that's why. And as L is incrementing and same number is decremented, and we are assigning the value to array A with row with top and column with L, because here you are seeing top means 4 3 2 1 0, that like, but the L is constant, so that's why it is. I'm assigning them to that. And next for loop is for down to top. I'm going to show you that one. That is from 12 to 10, from down to top. From down to top, I'm declaring another variable. Let us assume it is M, and M is equal to top minus 1, because it is one extra than there, and M is greater than left, because we are going from down to top, that's why. And number is again decrementation. Here you are seeing the column value is same, so array of M and of left, because left is constant 40 30 20 and 10, that are the indices for 12 11 10. Here 0 is constant, so left is constant, that like after I would equal to 1 completion, it goes to I plus plus, means I equal to 2, which means another box 9 8 7 2 5 2 6 5 4 3, that like it completes another box. It goes on like that. And now I am going to explain this code again, and this for loop is for left to right. Here you are seeing that from 25 to 21, and next for loop is for top to down, that is from I think 20 to 16. It is top to down. And third one is for right to left, that is from 15 to 13, that is right to left. And the final loop is for down to top, that is 12 to 10. And next for I equal to 2, that is after completion of 1, I equal to 1, it goes to next box. Here you are seeing that this is one box and this is another box. This is how two boxes will be mingled. And next we have to write the code for the missing number for odd input, that is the number at middle place. I am writing the condition if n modulus 2 not equal to 0, that means entered input is odd input. We have to assign number for the middle one, that is a of n by 2 n by 2, which means the center position of the pattern is equal to 1, that is n by 2 means 2 by 2, means the center position equal to 1. The code is completed. Now I am going to print this one, print this n matrix. I am writing the code for printing that one. Print. First for loop is for number of rows, that is for int I equal to 0 and declaring I less than n. I plus plus, and in that next for loop, in that only this is for number of columns. Int I am declaring another variable j is 0 and j less than j plus plus, because it is an int in matrix, that is number of rows and columns are equal. And now I am printing the number ij position index number, print percentage of ij, ith row jth column position number. And now for each row I am printing a new line, and I am saving this code. And next I also forgotten to close the main loop. I am closing the main loop, main function. And also we have forgotten that is L is decremented because it goes from right to left, which means from 4 to 0, assume that means decrementation. And also M also from down to top, which means M is decrementing, so M minus minus. And just save the code. And I am also putting tab space for clarityness and neatness, and I am saving the code and I am going to run the code. The file is in the desktop and I am opening the terminal, and now I am going to desktop directory with cd space desktop. This will take you to desktop, and now I am compiling the code which I have written, gd space filename.c. the file name is name, so I am writing name.c, which will give you a executable code. And now I am going to run that executable file with ./a.out, and it is asking input. I am giving input, and I am giving input 5. The pattern is printed, you have seen in that it is from 25 to 1, which is into the board. And now I am giving another input, odd input, let us assume 4. It is printed 16 to 1, and also another number 10. Like this we can print this pattern. And now I am going to show you another one, that is from 1 to 25. If the input was given like this, the user wants to print like this, ask you to print like this, then we have to change small changes, that is put num equal to 1 and just only increment num. This will change your code, num plus plus incrementation, and also change this equal to n into n, that is 25, because 25 is at the center for 5 input. And now again I am running the code, is space name.c, and this is again and given input 5. Here you are seeing that it is printed from 1 to 25. This is how you can print from 1 to 25. I think you have got clarity on this code and how to write this code and logic for this. And if you have any doubts regarding this, please comment in the comment section. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe us and click on bell icon for get notified with our latest updates. Thanks for watching.